Think it's too complicated to make a simple radio-controlled airplane from soda cans? Well, think again. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to build and fly your own RC airplane using soda cans. Let's get started. You'll need any oversized beverage can. 22 ounces like the one seen here are perfect. First, we'll need to shell our cans to turn them into workable sheets as seen here. Once you have 2 sheets of can, we're ready to start building. For our design, we'll opt for a delta wing like we did with this Chuck glider last year. The link to that video will be in the description. For this project, we'll use a delta wing using winglets and flaps as well. We start by tracing the first delta wing onto the can. Then we cut it out. Since weight will be a factor, we need to keep track of how much each piece weighs. Next, we trace and cut out the second delta wing. Now that we have both delta wing pieces, we need to fold them into shape. We start by folding the winglet as indicated. Next, we mark off the leading edge at 5 millimeters. Then we fold it over as seen here. We do the same for the inner edge and the trailing edge as well. At this point, the delta wing should look like this piece here. Finally, we reverse fold the winglet as shown. And we verify the weight to make sure we're still in good shape. Next, we trace and cut the delta wing flap as seen here. Then we bend it up like so. With our first delta wing complete, we test fit it with our RC motor. To power our radio-controlled airplane, we'll be using the Powerup 4 smartphone-controlled paper airplane kit. Now we repeat the previous steps to complete the remaining delta wing. And we double-check the weight before installing our wings. First, we trim the wing tips. Then we use Scotch tape to secure the 2 wing halves together to minimize weight. We insert the wing pieces into the clip on the underside of the RC motor as seen here. We use Scotch tape to secure the Powerup RC motor to the top of the wings. And we add another piece to the bottom. Finally, we secure the crossbar as well. Lastly, we create a throwing grip out of cardstock and secure it to the bottom of the airplane as seen here. Checking our total gross weight. Our airplane comes in right at 24 grams. Now we launch the app, verify connection, and throttle up the props. We're ready to fly. We launch our airplane made from cans, and we are able to fly and maneuver without issue. Powerup makes even the most novice radio control pilot look like a pro. Literally anyone should be able to fly a plane made from cans using Powerup. While the cost might seem high, it's worth every penny for any hobbyist attempting to fly with soda cans. The link to our simple plane design will be in the description to download for free. In conclusion, Powerup helped us achieve our goal of powered flight with soda cans. If you're looking for a flying solution besides this, I don't know that there's any other option. We hope you've enjoyed our video, and thanks for watching. See you next time.